guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing great. Thank you all for joining me for my Walgreens Easy Mini haul, and this is going to be all digital deal and also newbie friendly. Let's see what we can find. The first deal I'll pick up will be when you buy 2 or more participating Colgate products, you get $3 register reward. And I'll pick up 2 of the Colgate Optic White Mouthwash on sale for $4.50. And these 2 products are going to total me $9. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to this and drop my subtotal down to $5, and I'll get $3 register reward. I checked out these 2 items and it went very well. I ended up using a $4 register reward from last week. I paid just $1 out of pocket and I got my $3 register reward back for buying 2. And this booster printed out for me. That's in $7 Walgreens cash when you spend $20. I'll be adding this to my next transaction. The deal I'll be picking up with the booster that I just printed out will be the Old Spice deodorant. They're on sale for 2 for $13, and when you buy 2, you get back $4 register reward. I'll be picking up 2, and we have a 5 off 2 coupon in our app that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $8, and I'll get $4 register reward back. And I'll also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $5 back when you buy 2, making these 2 items free and a $1 money maker. The next deal I'll be adding will be on buy 3 or more participating Crest or Oral-B products. You get $5 register reward back. And the first item I'm going to pick up will be the Crest mouthwash, the 8.4 ounces on sale for $3. I will pick up 2 of the Crest Complete 3-in-1 gel toothpaste on sale for $3.50 each. These 3 items are going to total me $10. And for the mouthwash, we have a $1 in our app that is applying to this. And for the toothpaste, we have a 2 off 2 coupon in our app that will also apply to it and drop it down to $7, and I'll get $5 register reward back. This transaction worked out very well. All my coupons came off and I used $5 register reward to help bring down the subtotal. And my subtotal was $10. I paid that out of pocket, and I got my $4 back for buying 2 of the Old Spice, and I also got $5 back for buying 3 of the Crest, the participating products for Crest and Oral-B, and a $7 Walgreens cash for using the booster. And I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got $5 back for buying 2 of the Old Spice. After the rebate and the $7 Walgreens cash, this whole transaction ended up being free and a $6 money maker. Some other items you can pick up at Walgreens this week will be their trash bag. It's on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 1, you get 2 free. Pick up 3 at $4.99, pay that, and that will make all 3 of them $4.99 or $1.66 each. Or you can pick up the Walgreens brand fruit cups. It's originally priced at $1.99, but it's on sale for $1, and this can be a filler item if you need one. Another sale item you can pick up if you need it is the nice veggie sticks. It's on sale for 2 for $5. You pay the $5, making each one $2.50. This concludes my haul, and thank you all for joining me again and all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.